All right, hello everyone. It's once again another Columbia, Missouri throwback day. We are here at what I used to call the 8th and Walnut Garage. I guess now they're calling it the Plaza Parking Garage. This is the one that had those old mid-states elevators in it with GAL Jet Plus. Never ran particularly well. We'll see how they're doing now. They've been modded, who knows. This one is dedicated 1986. Uh-oh, and we found a Jason.
Plaza Garage, Columbia.
This might have gotten modded.
This looks like some boring mod. Their energy use is a 3. Looks like a good motor though.
Mm-hmm. Oh, wow.
Well, this is a nice mod.
This might be a replacement.
Yeah.
Sounds like a good motor to listen to, though, going up. Let's see.
Very nice motor.
Mm-hmm. I wonder who put this in. Looks like it's all just generic parts. I don't know if we can get across down here or not. Looks like we can.
The next one.
All right, we're gonna go ride the other one here. Yeah, it looks like this one also got replaced.
I thought for whatever reason they decided we need to move the entry from that side. So put a plate there and just move this.
There's your top floor. I mean, I can't lie, this is definitely an improvement over what they had. Oh yeah. Yeah. I guess that's it.